Hey there! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna cook for you guys. I really can't cook, so I'm gonna cook. So first thing you do, look around and see what ingredients you have to cook something. Well, I have salt, some salt. You guys want some salt? Oh my god. I guess I'm gonna make some hamburger helper. So we need a lot of shit. We need a pan. Where are the pans? Pans! That didn't sound good. Oh shit! Oh shit! This is gonna take like 5 hours. Oh my god, we need meat. Hey guys, let me go get some pans. Meat. Okay, first of all, make sure you know how to open bags because this isn't. Meat is so nasty. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I season that first. I have to season that first. I just showed you the salt. I found the salt. Oh my god, how much salt do I put? This is gonna taste like shit. Whoa, we're dealing with fire here. Ah, I touched the meat! Okay, that stuff is hot. Just cool. Oh. You gotta season your stuff, man. This shit looks so nasty. So you don't want to do what I did and put it when it's not cooking. It's not. Oh, fuck. I should add something, like I should. Garlic. You gotta remember, when you're cooking with meat, you're cooking with meat. I hope this goes well. What is this? I think you're supposed to punch it. I don't think you're supposed to punch it. I'm trying to. I got it! Clean up your shit, by the way. While you're cooking, don't be rude. Santa's only here for Christmas. Not cooking. I should have just made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This isn't working very well. So now that your hands smell like a garlic forest, put it in your meat. Oh, clean up your shit, man. You know, while you're waiting for the meat to not burn, cook, you can do other things like the meat is done, I think. Looks like a poop color, so it should be finished. Now we need water. The important part of the cooking process is to know when to eat. Before you assume that it's ready, you need to taste it. Taste it. You get a fork. When you find out it tastes like shit, add more shit. Always makes meat taste better. Ah, is onions. And if onions make you cry, it's not your fault. Now you gotta mix your shit up. Bam! Now you try it again. We need to strain our meat. That sounds so painful, I'm so sorry. We're gonna do it. Never mind. Fuck the straining. We need hot water. Oh, bitch! While you wait for the water to heat up, do something productive, like check your phone. And if no one loves you, then just wait. Milk. Cow piss. Oh. I really like pasta, but this is making me hate pasta. So now that you have your liquids, get the artificial sauce. If it doesn't want to cooperate, use force. Now when your food looks like the shit you threw up last weekend, stir it all up. Cover this shit. Check on your shit. When it starts to look like food, be happy. Stir your shit occasionally and don't burn your face. Welcome to my kitchen! Really unappetizing color. It's supposed to be that color though. Where's the helper? I thought it came with the helper. See how it's going. Cheesy. Now that I finished making my shit, I put it in a container. Doesn't that look appetizing? It may look like shit, but it tastes really fucking good. You can say that about something else too. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are better cooks than me, because I'm gonna hire somebody to cook for me every day. So I'm not gonna encounter this problem, you know? So